Okay, we're entering the freeway. It's 100. Speed up. Come on, let's go. You're doing 60. 100. Step on it. Check your left shoulder and over. And you're yanking your neck. That's no good. It's just over your shoulder. Remember, it's not intended that you see behind you. That's why you look in the rear view mirror to see what's going on behind you. Now, look ahead. You have overhead signs which suggests that this lane ends, but we did not decide on exiting, so you have to drive straight. That is the rule. So speed up. You're too slow. Speed up. Check your shoulder, and if it's safe, then you change lanes. Cancel your signal. That's it. So that was a disaster back there. Remember, you have to get up to speeds. You cannot be merging onto the freeway doing 60 in a 100 zone. Remember, most drivers are doing 100, 120, 140. So you merge onto the freeway doing 60, 70, 80. That's suicide, basically. You have to move quickly. Okay. Now look at the overhead signs. You know, just keep your eyes focused way down the road. That's what they call getting the big picture. Now, you do not look down in front of the vehicle, because by doing so, it's limited as to what you see ahead. You need to focus way down there. So if you focus way ahead and something is happening way ahead, you'll see it, then you'll be able to make any corrections to your driving before it's too late. Like slowing down or maybe doing a lane change. Okay? And that's what defensive driving is all about. Looking ahead, seeing what's going on, knowing what to do about it before it becomes a problem. Okay, as you can see the overhead sign again, we're in the lane that's going to take us straight, but you did see the sign, whereas you could drift to the right, which will take you in another city or another town. Okay, so the golden rule for your training is drive straight unless you're told otherwise. So if it so happens you're in a lane and that lane is going to end, or it goes onto a freeway, you have to know that you were not asked to exit or go to the freeway, so you have to drive straight. So you get to the lane that's going to take you straight. Okay. Now we're doing 90 in 100 zone. That's no good. You have nice dry roads, so drive at the proper speed. And keep the car in the middle of the lane. Watch how you use your hands on the wheel. It's just a tiny, tiny turn of the wheel. So tiny that you should not even see the movement of the wheel. Okay? You have to keep your hands steady. And remember, do not look down in front of the car. Look out. Get the big picture. Looking way down the road.